Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today I am going to teach 10th CBSE Maths Real Numbers exercise 1.3 third sum over here. Let's see the question. Prove that the following are irrationals. We need to prove these to be an irrational numbers. So I am going to take the first one, 1 by root 2. Let us assume that this number 1 by root 2 to be rational. So I am taking this number as a rational number. If they have given root 2 is irrational, if not, it is in 2 marks. Just follow the method what I follow now. So as this is a rational number, we can write this form to be P by Q, where P and Q are coprimes. Okay, they are coprimes now. We can do cross multiply or you can do reciprocal. If you do so, it become root 2 Q by P. We know that this is a coprime number and this will also be a coprime number. This means this number already we know that root 2 is a irrational number and this cannot be a rational number because root 2 is irrational. So if this is irrational, this will also be a irrational number. This can't be a rational number. Irrational cannot be a rational number. So our assumption is wrong. This contradicts the fact one by root 2 is irrational. Sorry, is rational. This contradicts the fact that 1 by root 2 is rational. Therefore, 1 by root 2 is a rational number. Hence verified or hence proved. So now I am going to do the second sum, which is 7 root 5. The same way, let us assume 7 root 5 to be a rational. If it is rational, it will be in the form P by Q. So I am writing to be 7 root 5 to be P by Q, where P and Q are coprimes. Okay, they are coprimes. If they are coprimes, root 5 is equal to P by 7Q. I am bringing this 7 to the equal to side. It becomes P by 7Q. If this is a irrational number, even this will also be a irrational number. Or irrational number cannot be equal to a rational number. So you can directly write this to be our assumption is wrong. Therefore, this contradicts the fact that 7 root 5 is rational. Therefore, 7 root 5 is irrational. Hence proved. So that's all with the second sum. We'll move on to the third one. Here the third one is 6 plus root 2. We are going to do this in the same model. We are going to assume this to be a rational number. So 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. Let us assume this to be a rational number. If this is a rational number, it will be in the form P by Q, where P and Q are co-primes. That is, they are divisible. They are not divisible by any number. It is a rational number. I am going to bring 6 to that side. Keeping root 2 over here, P by Q minus 6. Here you can take LCM. If I take LCM, just multiply this number with this. So it becomes 6Q by Q root 2. We know that root 2 is a irrational number. If this is irrational, this can't be a rational number. Irrational cannot be equal to a rational number. See here. Irrational will not be equal to rational number. So I am writing it here. Our assumption is wrong. This you need to write all those things. Otherwise you lose mark. Your assumption and contradicts word should be there. This contradicts the fact that the 6 plus root 2 is rational. Therefore, 6 plus root 2 is irrational. That's all. I have proved it. Hence proved. So that's all with the sums. Thank you.